Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making an easy, simple shrimp and green bean stir fry. So let's get into it. These are the ingredients right here. I have my green beans, shrimp, soy, sambal, honey, shallot, and garlic. That's just the overall, but we are going to season the shrimp. First, I'm going to blanch my green beans just like this in some salted water. And I'm going to blanch it for about 4 minutes. Next, while the beans are blanching, I'm going to season my shrimp with some adobo, some smoked paprika, and some pepper. But this step right here, you can season it however you prefer or whatever you have in your house. Mix this up and put it to the side while we go back to the green beans, which I'm going to drop them in ice cold water because I want to keep the bright green color. However, this step is optional for people that don't care how their green beans look. You don't have to do it, but listen, my professors and stuff is watching. I can't be letting them down, so I gotta drop it in the ice cold water to stop the cooking time so that it could still remain nice and bright. To this hot pan, I'm going to add my shrimp. We're going to saute this up for about 1 minute per side. They don't have to cook all the way through because they are going to cook again. So just 1 minute per side. They're going to look just like this. They're so pretty already. And then we're going to remove them from the skillet. Once you remove the shrimp, you want to add the shallots and the garlic and a tablespoon of butter. I basically just threw that in there just to have some wiggle room for things to move around. As you can see, I don't have a lot of fat in the pan. You want to add that tablespoon of soy, the sambal. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Next, you want to add your honey down in here. Again, you guys, everything that I'm adding is to taste. So I'm going to give a recipe, but if you feel like you want it more saucier, more sweeter, more anything, you can double this. You don't have to make this little bit that I'm making. I didn't want a saucy recipe, so I made a little bit just to glaze the veggie and the shrimp. So if you want more sauce, just double it. That's it. You don't have to double the shrimp, just the sauce, double the sauce. So add the green beans down in there. You want to mix that up. Next, you want to add the shrimp. Ooh, look at that shrimp, y'all. And that's pretty much it. You mix this up, let it cook for another 45 seconds or so, and you're pretty much done. You just want to make sure the glaze gets all over the shrimp and the beans. And this is what it looks like. It's easy, simple, it's low carb, and it's, easy to make, simple lunch. So I'm going to plate it up. All I did was I had a couple pieces, not a couple, but I had some sweet plantains and I put some on the side of it. But you could put rice, you could put whatever you want. But this was it. And this is the lunch I made my husband today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And I'll catch you guys on my next one. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.